So here's a little cup warmer. It's really nice because it'll keep your coffee mug warm all day long. It has 4 different temperature settings. So right now I have it set at 131, which is where I would like to have it. But then also you can go hotter to 145 degrees, 167, even 185 degrees Fahrenheit. These buttons are very sensitive. So if I just touch it really quickly, it goes on and off. Now it's off. Now it's on, and it has a timer, so you can time it to 12 hours for shuts off, or 1 hour, or 2, or 3, or 4, all the way up to 12. If you double tap it, it looks like it goes back to 0. Anyway, so that is how it works. I'm going to keep it down by 131 because that's a good temperature for me. And you can do it with little cups like this, a nice little mug. Or you can even do it with a small teapot if you want to keep some tea warm and at the ready. It also comes with one of these little cup protectors, so you can put it on whatever surface so it's not going to harm the surface when it's a hot cup on top.